So, now that you know that it is important to invest your savings, what are the things that you need to keep in mind? This is the question that Kumar asked his friend investment guru Sharma in office. Sharma told him that there are 3 principles that should be kept in mind while investing. 1. Asset allocation. Whenever you choose to invest your money, you can choose to do so through many different instruments. For example, you could choose to invest in land or gold or the stock market or life insurance and so on. Each of these instruments gives you a certain rate of return, and each of these instruments also carries a certain amount of investment risk. Research shows that in the long term, the best way towards growing your investments is to spread them across different kinds of instruments. This allows you to get optimum returns and balance your risk. This is called asset allocation. In other words, make sure that you invest your money through different kinds of instruments with different risk-reward profiles. Do not dump all your money into just 1 or 2 kinds of instruments. 2. Goal-based saving. Kumar likes to go out on long drives with his friends on weekends. He has the most fun in planning where to go, which route to take, and how long he needs to drive. He finds that planned trips are a lot easier and enjoyable as compared to ones that are not quite so well planned. It's no different with investing. The process of investing is a lot easier when you know what future goal you want to save for. So, if you're planning to buy your own sea-facing house in Goa by the time you're 35 or want to start off your own business of being a wedding planner, then you should start saving systematically for that particular goal. In other words, don't invest for the sake of investments. Invest for the sake of a goal. 3. Systematic investments. Investments go through ups and downs, almost as if in a cycle. Ideally, for you to get the most from your investments, you should buy an investment when it is running low and sell it when it is at a high. However, none of us has the time or the ability to predict how an investment cycle is going to pan out, which is why it is advisable to invest regularly without really trying to predict how a certain investment is going to behave. Experts call this rupee cost averaging, which simply means that as long as you invest at regular time intervals, you don't have to worry about whether you invested at the right time or not. To summarize, the 3 principles of proper financial planning are A. Asset allocation, B. Goal-based saving, and C. Systematic investments.